Did you know you can check to see if your solar panels are performing at optimal performance? How, you ask? By simply checking for the inverter output. What's an inverter and how do you check for its output? Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how you can measure your solar system efficiency by monitoring your inverter. The installers just put up a set of brand new solar panels on your rooftop. Now what? You are wondering. Was everything installed properly? How do we check? The answer is monitoring your inverter output to check for efficiency. By efficiency, what we really mean is what percentage of the solar power that goes into the inverter comes out as usable current. You want to keep an eye on the inverter's output, which is what you would expect to see displayed on the inverter's LCD. Check with your solar installation company as to what the average daily output should be. They will have a solar assessment that shows the average daily output for your solar system. The average daily output takes into account all of the system's losses. If you notice a drop in the average daily output on the inverter LCD, contact your solar installation company right away. There may be a problem with your solar system. It is also essential to keep an eye on the inverter itself to see if there has been any damage to the inverter, such as being struck by lightning. By monitoring your inverter, you will be able to tell how much usable current is coming out. The better the efficiency of your solar system, the more energy you will be able to use, which will mean a higher return on your solar investment. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.